Hi, beautiful friends. Welcome to another wonderful episode of Abida Vlogs. Hope you all are safe and staying healthy. Today, let us make perfect vanilla and chocolate cupcakes. This cake is extra soft, moist, fluffy, and delicious. Along with this, we are preparing perfect buttercream frosting and chocolate cream frosting. Moving on to the preparation of cupcakes, making cupcakes is easy and simple. It takes only 15 to 20 minutes of baking time. Sieve 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon soda powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon salt and 1 cup of sugar that is powdered. Sieve this and whisk well so that a nice homogeneous airy mixture is formed. Moving on to wet ingredients, to a bowl add 2 eggs, 1 and a half teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk nicely with a hand whisk or an electric egg beater. Add half cup of natural vegetable oil and whisk again. Add flour to this gradually, and when the batter starts tightening, add milk to loosen the batter. Repeat this process until all the ingredients are well incorporated. A total of half cup milk is added and the cake batter is ready. Since we are making vanilla and chocolate cakes together, partition the batter equally to 2 bowls. Add 1 and a half teaspoon of chocolate powder to the batter and whisk nicely to form a homogeneous mixture. Let's try baking without an oven. Keep a flat bottom pot or a kadai on the stove. Place a plate or a stand like this in the middle of the pot. Preheat this for 15 minutes on medium heat. Meantime, pour the batter to the cupcake liners. Double the liners so that the muffin do not spread, and once the cakes are baked, you can remove the outer liners and can reuse it. Here I poured 2.5 tablespoons batter to each liner, that is half the space. We should leave enough room for the cake to rise. Gently tap the plate. Place this above the plate carefully, close with the lid. Bake this for 18 minutes in medium flame. After the time has elapsed, check it with a skew. See, the skew comes out clean. Now carefully remove the plate from the stove and let the cake cools completely. Baking time may slightly vary to you as it highly depends on the type of vessel, batter quantity and flame. These are incredibly soft and delicious. If you don't have cupcake liner at home, you can bake this in a mold made with aluminum foil. It's very simple to make. I had prepared 4 set molds. Pour the batter halfway. I'm pouring 2.5 tablespoons batter and gently tap it. Now place this in a preheated pot oven carefully. The baking time is same as with the previous one, that is 18 minutes. After the time has elapsed, check it with a skew. See, the skew comes clean. Now carefully remove the plate from the stove and let the cake cools completely. The cakes are baked perfectly. Now let's use disposable cups instead of cake liners. Pour 2.5 tablespoons of batter to each cup. This is placed in the preheated pot oven for 18 minutes baking. After the time has elapsed, check it with a skew. See, the skew comes out clean. Now carefully remove the plate from the stove and let the cake cools completely. The cakes are baked perfectly. It is soft, fluffy and moist. Baking cupcakes in the oven. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. It took 18 minutes for me. It may slightly differ to you as it depends on batter quantity, type of oven and temperature. To prepare mini pancakes, pour the batter halfway to mini pancake liners. Place this in the preheated pot oven. It took 8 minutes to Complete baking in medium flame. Let's see how to make a successful buttercream frosting and chocolate frosting, a perfect and a simple recipe so that the cream pipes perfectly. We need only 2 ingredients. The measurements of the ingredients are very important for the required consistency. We want a thicker buttercream for piping designs and a thinner cream for spreading it over a cake. Add icing sugar if the batter is thin and add milk if the batter is thick until you get it just perfect. Take 225 gram butter or 1 cup of butter at room temperature and 375 gram or 3 cups of powdered sugar. Whip the butter for about 10 minutes on high speed. The hand whisk is not a good option. This is what you want your butter to look like. Light, airy and fluffy. The color changes from pale yellow to white. The volume almost doubled. Secret to getting white buttercream. Add icing sugar spoon by spoon to incorporate more air so that it gives a soft fluffy frosting cream. We can flavor the buttercream with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Partition the cream to 2. To 1 bowl add 1.5 tablespoon of chocolate powder. Incorporate well. So now we have vanilla buttercream frosting for vanilla cupcakes and chocolate frosting for chocolate cupcakes. Fill your piping bags and decorate your cupcakes. Let's be creative. I like this quote, be a cupcake in the world of muffins. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave comments below and watch my previous videos. Dear friends, if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and press all in the bell icon so you will get a notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks for doing so.